Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be using the new, I think it's new, I'm not really sure, the new Eco Styler super olive 10 times right here. Y'all, I got a small one. I didn't know that it was gonna be this small. I didn't know that it was gonna be this small, but whatever. So yeah, let's just get started. So I did apply some of the Curls Creme Brulee whipped curl cream to my hair, and I already tested these two products out on the back of my hand to see if they work, and they do. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go in with some gel. It smells, it has like a cologne like smell, like smells like cologne to me. Is cologne even a word?
No!
But we're gonna see how this turns out though. So far, so good, I guess.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings. Messed up and I'm spread.
So the curls are doing what needs to be done, okay? My hair feels really soft. I mean, obviously it's gonna feel soft now because it's wet, but when it dries, we'll see. So, yeah, the curls, great. To be completely honest, y'all, I'm really not in the mood. Like, wasn't really in the mood to do this video today, but I was like, I need to just go ahead and get it out the way. But it's just so much stuff going on in the world, y'all. It's just depressing, and it's just a lot. It's really taking a toll on me, like, honestly. I've been just sick to my stomach, like seeing certain things. I've been super emotional. It's just a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I ordered this gel, I really and truly didn't even like look at it, read it. I just saw it and I was like, okay, add to cart, check out. And I should have read, and then I would have known that it was only 8 ounces. I didn't even look at that. I just added it to my cart, called it a day. And then when it came, I was like, what is this? But it's fine. To be honest, the curls for the girls. So
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings. Messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back. Oh, girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that,
yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side of my hair off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so my hair is fully done. It looks cute. So I'm gonna let my hair dry. The curls are popping, okay? The curls are popping. I'm gonna take some of this melanin hair care oil and just put it on my hair, just so that when it dries, I won't have that much of a crunch. Just oil to break up that gel. So far it looks good. Let me show you the back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, and I'll be back. But so far I love this gel. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm going to okay, let's try that again. Okay, I'm going to stretch my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after letting it dry. It's fully dry. It's 100% dry. Curls in the back are tighter than the ones in the front. I don't know. That's just how it is. Okay? That's just how my hair decided that it wanted to grow or be. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair. You'll see how my hair looks prior to being stretched. The shrinkage is real, okay? But I know that shrinkage is like a sign of healthy hair and all that good stuff. But I just be like, sis, it's kind of disrespectful, you know?
To you, it is disrespectful. To you, it is. First of all, it's disrespectful in general.
It's very disrespectful. But anyway, I'm gonna start blowing dry my hair. I'm gonna put it on warm and the highest setting and get to work.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah.
All right, y'all. So this is so dumb. Oh my god. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna fluff my... I know y'all see this definition. I know y'all see it. I know you see it. I'm gonna lay my edges, and lately, I don't know, I've just been loving this Alake, I think I'm saying that right, Alake Naturals Lemongrass Slate and Lay Edge Control, well, Edge Gel, right? I've been loving it. Okay, y'all, so here are my few things. There's a few little things that I have to say about this gel. For one, it definitely is moisturizing. For two, it definitely has a strong hold. Even though I stretched my hair out, it still looks amazing. Like, yeah, I've been literally, like, I don't know, I've been in my feelings lately, y'all know, with all this stuff that's going on, but I don't know, this just really uplifted my spirits. So even if I really wanted to, I could do a bang, but I like the side part, so I'm gonna leave the side part. So I'm definitely going to get another one because there aren't any flakes on my hair, so those two products definitely pair well together. So this, I love curls in general. Like, all of their products are amazing. I love it on my daughter's hair especially. and they're black owned, so support black businesses, okay? Even though Eco Styler, I'm not sure who the hell created this, but whoever created it, they did it. But yeah, so I like this gel. I wish I would have gotten a bigger one, but I mean, hey, it still came out bomb with just this little bit. I only have a little bit left. It's just a bomb product. Like, these two products just pair really well together. So yeah, I love it. I love y'all. Y'all please stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and peace.